Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out real quick. This is my first ride with my new intake, and I just put this on. I also put a tuner, which I'm going to talk about in a different video. But again, this is the Arlen Ness Monster Sucker 90 degrees air cleaner, and this thing is huge. Is pretty cool if you ask me. I wanted to get something for my Road King Classic 2005, but I wanted to get something that looks kind of like old school. I don't know if this is old school or not, but the thing about it is that when I was a kid, back, you know, like many years ago, right? Because I'm about to be 40. I always remember guys having this 90-degree style intake, and as I wanted to put one in my Road King, I was thinking about it, and I was like, nah, I want to go with the 90-degree because it looks cool. I know nowadays they're really, I don't think they are that popular like other ones out there. But again, you know what? I wanted to go that style because I remember that when I was in my late teens, right? Like 18, 19, and all that. And I'm going to tell you, it looks great. The chrome looks amazing. I paid about $260, something like that. 269 maybe, something in that range. And I got it from Fuel Moto as well as my Dyno Jet Vision Power something. I forgot the name, but I'm going to do a video about it coming out very soon. I'm going to tell you, I'm liking it, and the tune is pretty good. I got some things to say about that. But again, you know, I got it from then. I actually got the Dyno Jet. I got the intake, and it came to the house. I was able to install it pretty easy. Really wasn't that complicated. There were a couple of screws that were stripped from the past owner. I don't know how he did that, but he stripped a couple screws, which it gave me a headache. I had to go to Home Depot, buy a couple things, but eventually I got it done, and I'm gonna tell you, it looks amazing. Is it the best thing ever? I have no idea, guys. This is my first ride. I'm out there trying it out, and it looks good to me. As far as I know from all the research that I've done, I'm gonna tell you, it's supposed to give more than enough air to the engine, and it's supposed to be very beneficial to the engine. Now, if you're planning to buy one, there are several choices. Obviously, I got the chrome one, and again, it looks amazing. It looks fantastic. There's one in black, and it also is a couple different covers that you could utilize to cover that filter. Now, if you get one with the cover, it's really expensive. Really is. I don't know what they're making this filter covers from. I don't know if it's gold or silver or something, but wow, man, I'm telling you, you know, some of this intakes are $430, $500, almost $500, something crazy. About $431 I'm seeing it right now. But again, you know, in some cases I've seen the cover alone, just the cover for the intake filter, and it runs for over $200. So to me, that's insane. That's a lot of money. You know, I'm just a hardworking American, and that's just too much money for me. But again, you know, something to keep in mind. Now, if you get a standard like I did, just chrome with no cover, I paid, like I said, $260 around there. And I'm gonna tell you, they have them for all kind of different bikes. I got an 88 cubic inch, obviously, you know, first generation with that twin cam. And again, you know, it's nice. It looks good. Just from riding it today, it doesn't get in the way. It feels like it feels pretty big. Like as you're riding and you kind of look down, it looks like a massive intake right there, but it doesn't get in the way of your legs, which is an amazing thing, right? So again, really excited about it. Really easy to install. Wasn't really a big deal, and I'm enjoying it very much. I'm hoping to make some other modifications to the bike coming up in the next year or in this year, 2021. So stay tuned because we got tons of videos coming up. Appreciate you guys watching, and as always, God is in control.